Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today on the show we have whole wheat noodles with black pepper pork flavor from Thailand for Mama's 50th anniversary. I'll show you one of those big packs in a moment, but for now, let's get this sucker cooking. It's Wednesday today. That's right, Mimi. It's Wacky Wednesday. So, yeah. She's making wacky noises, ladies and gentlemen. That is her way. Oh my. A fearsome Mimi, ladies and gentlemen. And so black pepper pork. Usually I've seen these pork varieties kind of hang out more, at least the Thai ones, hang out more with ground pork, I think. But another thing, like the last one, it's like I don't need as much ground pork as they offer at the store for the price they want for it. So I had to make a little different path. However, it doesn't involve, what do you call it? Eggplant. Like yesterday's show. It's funny, I have to remind myself, say yesterday's show, not earlier, because I do 3 a day, so it works out a lot better that way. So, there we go, and we got, whoa, no, 1, 2, 3, boom, there you go. Anyways, what's the big news story today? Oh, yeah. Elon Musk bought Twitter. I thought it was going to be like Elon Musk bought the internet, but no, he didn't buy the internet. He just bought Twitter. People who are really into Twitter are either really stoked or really dismayed. Personally, I don't use it. Every once in a while, I'll tweet something just because I feel like, well, I better use Twitter. And in fact, the other day for my big annual top 10, I spent $10 for Twitter promotion for a tweet that I did about the top 10 list, right? And it was like, yeah, I'll spend $10. I'll give it a try. Worthless. Really didn't. It might have gotten more exposure, but it wasn't like. It basically was a gamble, and I lost $10. But got one new follower. I think it got like 4,000 impressions. It's like I don't know. Probably $10 would be better spent on Facebook as far as that goes, because then you can like share and all this stuff. But then again, I don't know. I'll think about it. I will. I'll think about it. But yeah, something to try. And now the sun's out. I don't know. That's probably a passing thing. It's hard to tell. The weather yesterday was so nuts. It was like sunny, then it was cloudy, then it was slightly rainy, then it was windy, and just like a full mix of it. It was warm when it was sunny. It was kind of chilly when it was dark and rainy and cold and windy. It's just like the weather here has gone totally rogue. I don't understand, but yeah, that's the deal. I live just north of Seattle, so, and it's late April, so yeah. Hopefully it mellows out pretty quick and the weather gets real nice. That's what I'm shooting for. And the pollen gets out of the air. Everybody's been sniffly and sneezy lately, and it's just like, it's no good. It's no good. I don't like it. It's no good. But yeah, Twitter. I think basically from what everything I've read about it, it's just going to make Twitter less interesting to me than it was before. So we'll see. I know there's one guy who thinks they're going to be really stoked on it, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. I really don't care. I don't even know why I'm talking about it. Why am I talking about it? Thank you, Bra Pilot. See? Bra Pilot. I don't know, but it's a nice alarm. My wife got me that for my birthday. Thank you, kid. All right, let's try this black pepper pork. Come have a look. Doesn't look bad at all. Wheat noodle, like a whole wheat noodle. Oh, I can smell the black pepper going on. That's nice. Cheers. Definitely getting the black pepper. Definitely can tell it's a whole wheat noodle. It has a nice wheat flavor to it. Here's the broth. Kind of nice savoriness to it. I like that. That's pretty good. I'll tell you, I'm really looking forward to the third one. That's the one I am most curious about. It's a chicken cow swa flavor. Oh, I was going to show you the pack. I'll show you that at the end of the show. How about that? I don't feel bad. There's an unboxing video. You can see the pack like to no end. I showed you the pack of the noodles, but not like the big multi-pack. And the big multi-pack looks pretty cool. All right, so I've got some pork that I sauteed. Pork. There's some basil. Definitely not the basil I thought it was gonna be. Did I have something else to put in here? How about that? That's pretty. Little peppers. And some seeds. How about that? All right. What do you think of that? Just a second. Well, thank you for watching. Yeah, tomorrow will be the third one of this set. That comes in here. You get two chicken, two pork, and 2 duck. Special 50th anniversary. So that's pretty snazzy. And I thank them for sending these along. And I'll be doing the third and final one tomorrow. This is their instant noodles chicken cow swa flavor. So, yeah. It sounds like it's kind of like a coconut chicken curry. And if that's the case, ooh, this could be a contender. So, yeah, that's been Hans. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.